Today, we are going to draw Jung Kook from BTS. First, let's start with shining eyes. Follow along with me slowly. Once you've finished drawing his bright eyes, let's sketch the position of his nose and shape the face. Don't forget his lovely smiling lips. Now, let's draw his hair naturally flowing in the front, then outline the rest of his hair. Once we add his ears, the face is all done. Next, let's draw the upper body. I used his iconic outfit from the DNA music video as a reference. The bright red t-shirt under his denim jacket was so memorable. We'll show him standing casually with both hands inside his jeans pockets. The t-shirt seemed to have the word love written on it, so I'm going to add that too. Let's draw his blue jeans next. Shall we also draw his cool sneakers? We are almost there. Now, let's add the fine details on his denim jacket. And if we express the ripped parts of his jeans, ta-da! Isn't this so much fun? If you enjoyed drawing with me, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.